Today, I'm showing you the facts of a peacock. Have you know female peacocks don't have pretty feathers? The color is actually brown. Fact. Blue peacocks use their feathers to get females' attention.
Nice.
This is a blue jay. Fact. Blue jays live in every forest. And they even have a short beak, like woodpeckers. They might look like brothers, but they're actually different. The colors are different. But blue jays don't look like the same as woodpeckers. Facts, woodpeckers. A male woodpecker, guards the female.
Do they both have long beaks?
Yes.
Nice. Did you know a woodpecker? It pecks with its tongue, not its beak.
Have you know a woodpecker pecks with his tongue?
It has a very long tongue.
Yeah. So, anyways, this is a crow. It's not a crow like the scarecrows. It's actually a normal crow. And they might look like...
Do you know what a bunch of crows is called?
Have you know a bunch of crows is called murder? Yeah, but I didn't do anything. I didn't murder anything. I promise, I didn't. And this is a parrot. Have you know parrots can copy humans and they could even talk very loud. The parrot uses beaks to talk. The nest is where the female parrot lays eggs in the nest. Seagulls. You might see these on top of when you're at the beach, but they're actually kind of a helpful fact. Have you know seagulls are not colorful? Yeah, they are not colorful, except their beaks are colorful, but not the whole body. This is a falcon. This is an eagle. You might want to see this in caves or mountains. But actually, they're actually good at flying and good at finding worms. And you know that thing when Spice in the Sky movie and there was a pigeon? Yeah, there's a pigeon that you got. And have you know fact, female pigeons lay eggs. Fact, female pigeons stay with their eggs for a lot of days.
Did you know pigeons are related to doves?
Have you know pigeons are related to
Doves.
Doves. Did you say ducks? This is a duck. Have you know a mother duck could lay 16 eggs? But some do not. and fat. Chicken. You might want to see this in films. When you're at a grocery store and the farmer gets some chicken and the chicken lays some eggs. That's the thing, because I got chicken right here and the store. Go in the milk section to look for it quickly before it's sold out. Anyways, and bye. Don't forget to hit that like button.